All right, with simplifying rational expressions, I'm not going to make you tell me what can't be in the denominator. So really, it's just going to be our factoring. So when I factor x squared plus 7x plus 10, x plus 5, x plus 2. On the bottom, we're going to end up with 2x plus 5 and x plus 5. And we're just looking for something to cancel. In this case, vertically, the x plus 5's cancel, and you're left with x plus 2 over 2x plus 5. It really is that straightforward when you're simplifying the expression. No multiplication, no division, no addition, no subtraction. We're just simplifying the fraction. Up top here, I'm going to do 3x and 2x first. Doesn't make much sense with 2 and 1 on the back end to put the 2 with the 2. So I'm going to put my 2 here and my 1 here. That's 3x. That's 4x. Is there a way to make that negative x? Sure there is. If you made the 4 negative and the 3 positive, now we know we factored correctly. And if you FOILed this back, you would get 6x squared minus x minus 2. The entire key of this problem is we're factoring twice. It's not like you're factoring once. In Algebra 1, we ask you to factor once. In Algebra 2, we ask you to factor twice in a problem. So on the other end, we have 2x and x, and my factors are 3 and 1. And there are hints in there in that something's probably going to cancel out. I'm going to do a plus 1 and a minus 3. 2x plus 1 times x minus 3 is going to give me 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. And then my 2x plus 1's cancel out, and I'm left with 3x minus 2 over x minus 3. And that's how you simplify a rational expression. All right. So here we're just factoring. This ends up being a 2x minus 1, x plus 3. It reverses the sign from earlier. Okay. And then here we have 2x minus 1, x plus 4 over 2x, I'm going to say plus 3, x minus 5 in our factoring. Is that? Yes, that was. Okay. And now I'm looking vertically. Cancels. Nothing vertically on the right. Diagonally cancels, and we're left with x plus 4 over x minus 5. The second one I'm going to bring down here, x plus 3, x plus 5 over x plus 7, x minus 2 times 2x plus 3, x plus 7, and then 3x minus 1, x plus 3. Okay, and we look diagonal. X plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 7, x plus 7, x plus 5, 2x plus 3, x minus 2, 3x minus 1. And that's our answer. Okay, we just multiply across after simplifying diagonally and vertically. So with division, we are not going to be lazy. I am literally copying down the exact first fraction, changing it to multiplication. 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. And now we are factoring. X plus 4, x minus 2. X plus 3, x... Oh, not x plus 3, excuse me, that is a mistake. Got rid of them there. All right, I'm sorry, x plus 5, x minus 2 is the correct factoring there. On the top here, we're going x plus 5, x plus 6. And on the bottom here, we're going 2x and x, and my factors are 12, where I can get to that correct middle term. I'm going to put a plus 3 here and a plus 4 here, and that gets me to that middle term of 11x. Remember, you can have a GCF in one of your parentheses. X minus 5 cancels. X plus 4 cancels. X plus 5 cancels. And I am left with, on the bottom of all this, x plus 6 over 2x plus 3. On the second problem, once again, do not be lazy. I'm literally copying over that exact fraction. Times 3x squared plus 11x plus 6. 2x squared plus x minus 10. So we have 2x plus 5x plus 3. 3x plus 2, x minus 5, times 3x plus 2, x plus 3, 2x, we'll say plus 5, x minus 2 when I factor. Here, diagonally, the 2x plus 5 cancel, the 3x plus 2's cancel. Nothing vertically cancels. Horizontally, we get x plus 3 squared. You do not cancel horizontally. And then x minus 5, x minus 2. And that is my answer. This is an absolute gift on the test when we do adding and subtracting with the common denominator. Just copy the common denominator down. And this negative goes to both terms. 2x minus 4x is negative 2x. 1 minus a negative 5 is 6. Now, it's not a bad idea to take the negative 2 out and see if anything else can be canceled, nothing else can be. I would accept either answer, though. I think that's just a good habit to be in. The second one, the common denominator is given. I put it down. 4 and 5 is 9. I think it probably looks neater to do 2x plus 9. Okay. But if you wrote 9 plus 2x, would I care? Not particularly. Either way is fine. So we have the denominator here that's different from the denominator here. And essentially we got to force common denominators. So on the bottom and top, I'm multiplying the first fraction by x minus 3. The bottom and top, I'm multiplying the second fraction by x plus 2 over x plus 2. And notice, I'm not multiplying by x minus 3 or x plus 2. I'm multiplying by their form of 1. On top, I distribute. On the bottom, just leave it like this. Don't FOIL it out, so when we distribute and we combine the tops, we can tell right away whether it can be canceled more or not. Okay? So when I do this right here, scroll down a bit, we're going to have x minus 3, x plus 2. 4x and 5x is 9x. Negative 12 and 10 is negative 2. And there's your answer. Okay. Here, I'm doing x minus 4 over x minus 4, and on the right side, 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1. So 7x minus 28 over x minus 4, 2x plus 1. Minus. Don't distribute a negative 4 through first. We're just distributing the 4 through. 8x plus 4 over x minus 4, 2x plus 1. X minus 4, 2x plus 1 on the bottom. And we distribute this negative to both terms. 7x minus 8x is negative 8x. Negative 28 minus 4 is a negative 32. Now, just so you know, like for a standardized test sake, could I pull a negative out of the top and put a negative in front of the fraction and make it x plus 32? I can. I would just leave it like that for our purposes right here. So with adding or subtracting, we're going to factor the bottom. And let's be honest, each time you're going to get a common factor. That's already in there. It's the uncommon factor I got to multiply top and bottom. Top and bottom. And then my common denominator, x plus 2, x plus 8, x minus 3. Don't worry about the order. That's not a big deal. And then we get 2x plus 4, and then 4x minus 12. Common denominator, x plus 2, x plus 8, x minus 3. And then 2x and 4x, 6x, 4 and negative 8, or 4 and negative 12 is negative 8. Now, you can take a GCF out of that, and you're left with 3x minus 4. It doesn't really change anything. I will accept either answer. This one is good, or if you left it like this, I'll take either one. What's that? The last one, 2x plus 1, x minus 4, minus 3 over 2x plus 1, x plus 5. All right. We're going to put the x plus 5 on the top. We're going to put the x minus 4, top and bottom here. And it's 5x plus 25 over x plus 5, 2x plus 1, x minus 4, minus 3x minus 12, 2x plus 1, x plus 5, x minus 4. Scroll it down. X plus 5, 2x plus 1, x minus 4. 5x minus 3x is 2x. 25 minus a negative 12 is plus 37. And that is our answer. All right, Avenue.